Attorney Menchaca, let's talk about the E1 visa. How do you apply for it, or what's the application process?
Pretty straightforward. It goes like this. When you want the E1 visa, you call my office and here's how we go. I tell you, okay, I'm gonna prepare a list of everything I'm gonna need from you. So I prepare a detailed checklist of the documents we're gonna need. I give you that checklist and I say, look, this is your homework, get me all these documents, okay?
Okay, and are these documents difficult to obtain?
No, not at all. Most clients get it to me within a few weeks, okay, 1 or 2 weeks. And then once you get me all those documents, I use them to prepare your E1 visa application. Once that's ready, I'm gonna call you and we're gonna say, hey, your application's ready. We're gonna schedule an appointment for you at a US embassy or consulate outside of the United States where you can apply for the E1 visa.
Okay, and what is this appointment? What do I have to know?
So what you need to know is that you're going to apply for the E1 visa, that you're gonna be interviewed for it. So before you worry about any interview, I want you to know that 3 or 4 days before that interview, we're gonna have a phone call or a visit in person where we're gonna go through all the details of everything you need to know. We're gonna tell you where your appointment is, when it is. We're gonna give you general advice on what you should wear to this interview. We're gonna tell you what documents you need to take with you. As a matter of fact, we will hand you the documents that you're gonna need to take with you so that you're fully prepared on that front. And also, and most importantly, we're gonna talk about the types of questions that you're gonna be asked and the best way to answer those questions so that you can arrive at the appointment being very secure, very confident, and giving a very good presentation about your qualifications for the E1 visa.
Excellent. And after the interview, do I get my visa?
At the interview, when the officer who's interviewing you decides that you qualify for the visa, that your application is complete, that everything checks out, they can approve your visa on the spot, and they usually give it to you that day or the next day or shortly thereafter.
Thank you, Attorney Menchaca.
Sure, my pleasure.